Alright, let's check out that Domino. It's looking really good, huh? That's why you call a pro. You already know. We rinse off everything, the parking lot, so there's no debris on there like other companies, right? Hey, see what happens? Look how clean this ground is. It's going to be so bright when it dries. The mat, we did the windows, all the door jambs, frames, everything's really cool, clean. Looks so good. This is why you call a pro. We don't burn your paint. We don't etch your paintings, your concrete. There's no lines. There's no swirls. Okay, we take off all the gum. You don't see any gum on here. How clean this is. Remember how dirty it was over here? Nice and clean. All the bugs are gone. All the spider webs. All the lights are washed properly. Not just spraying them down. If you can see it, you already know, call a pro. Let's see how clean it looks in front of your store. You make money when your storefront is clean. And then when you get to stuff like this, people don't want to eat in front of that. That's just nasty. Nasty. Are you sitting outside? Do you really want to get all that stuff around your food? All that disgusting stuff on there? Watch how clean it turns. Dirty, spotless. Under pressure power wash. Get her done. We cover all of Palm Beach County. No matter how big or small, we do it all.